Good evening and welcome to Wednesday's edition of the Regional News. We begin with news in Trinidad and Tobago. 2 days after losing in court, former Police Commissioner Erla Harewood-Christopher and her attorneys are readying to return there after her suspension was lifted by the Police Service Commission, hours after she was sent on leave by new Minister of Homeland Security, Roger Alexander. This effectively ended Harewood-Christopher's tenure in office, as yesterday was the last day of her contract. She turned 62 today. Harewood-Christopher, who was sent on 66 days vacation, signed the POLSC letter authorizing her return to office at 6:21 p.m. hours after the ministry had indicated its decision. Harewood-Christopher's attorney, Pamela Elder, senior counsel, said she will be taking further legal action in the matter. And I quote, "The next step is court. Can Junior Benjamin act? I would like to see his letter of revocation," Elder said. Elder questioned what legal authority the ministry had to send Harewood-Christopher on leave, adding that since her client was lawfully reinstated yesterday, acting Commissioner of Police Junior Benjamin's appointment also automatically ended. The top cop was suspended on January 31 after she was arrested the day before over allegations of misconduct in securing of 2 sniper rifles and other accessories for the Strategic Services Agency. She was subsequently suspended by the POLSC. Harewood-Christopher spent 2 nights at the Sinclair police station before being released without charge. Turning attention to news in South America. Bolivia's Constitutional Court on Wednesday upheld a lower ruling banning more than 2 terms as president, in effect blocking former President Evo Morales from running in elections later this year. The unanimous decision from the court came after years of speculation regarding the constitutionality of a 3rd term, with Morales arguing that not allowing him to run again would violate his human rights. Morales has already served 3 terms as president, with a court allowing the final administration because his first came before a constitutional rewrite. He ran for a 4th term in 2019 elections, but fled the country after results were disputed. And finally, some international news. The U.S. Supreme Court is poised on Thursday to consider arguments on Donald Trump's attempt to broadly enforce his executive order to limit birthright citizenship, a move that would affect thousands of babies born each year as the Republican president seeks a major shift in how the U.S. Constitution has long been understood. The justices are scheduled to hear the administration's emergency request to scale back injunctions issued by federal judges in Maryland, Washington, and Massachusetts, blocking Trump's directive nationwide. The judges found that Trump's order likely violates citizenship language in the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment. The arguments were ongoing. Thank you for watching. I am Antonio Day.